Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the Wise business account to a personal. First, log into your Wise business account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the verification code sent to your email or phone to access your account securely. Next, go to settings and select account details. Here, you can review all your account information including business details, linked cards, and bank accounts. Before closing your account, withdraw or transfer all remaining funds. You can move the money to your personal bank account, another Wise account, or any connected payment method. Make sure to double check that your balance is zero, as the account cannot be closed with funds still inside. After that, close your Wise business account. You can do this directly from the settings menu under account closure, or reach out to Wise support if you face any issues. Wise may ask you to confirm your decision or answer a few security questions. Once business account is closed, sign up again on Wise, but this time choose a personal account. During sign up, provide your personal details such as full name, date of birth, and contact information. Finally, complete the identity verification process to activate your personal account. Upload the required documents such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Verification may take a few minutes to a few hours depending on document approval, after which you can start using your personal Wise account for sending and receiving money. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.